All right, welcome back to another Animate video. Again, we're going to be looking at masking. So we're going to just jump into this symbol here. We've got a movie clip with this image in it, right? So we'll do edit in place. So how do we want to do that? Well, we probably just want to leave, we're going to leave the image alone, basically. And we only really need two things to do, right? So it's going to be like the circle mask, right? I think sometimes people call it masker, don't they? Masker and maskee. So we'll try that. So basically this, what we got here is going to be a, let's make sure, you can imagine I've been messing around with it a lot. Um, so here we're going to have, you know what I'm going to try? I'm going to try something like this. We'll try and make it so it's like kind of quite a dramatic effect, right? So that's our shape there, right? And now sometimes it's actually difficult to select it, but let's just select it, copy it, so we don't have to worry about that problem, right? Um, all right, so we mask that, right? That's what you might expect to happen, right? So that's good. So let's try it this way, and this is going to basically be the gradient mask, right? Um, so if I just do it, paste in place here, might just be easier to do all the masking operations afterwards, basically, is what I was thinking. Even though, this doesn't belong here, it's just so while we're actually working, we can do it here. Because basically we're going to put the gradient and the image inside, because the masker, and this will be the mask, right? Um, yeah, just because, yeah. Um, the thing about anime is that if you really work out, the most important thing is to work out actually how you're going to, the various techniques, and then you can actually increase the actual speed of how, oh, what? Why did I change it to that? Okay, that is black now. Yeah, yeah, zero. Of course, it's just zeros, right? Um, so then what we'll try, gradient transform, yes. And you know what, I need to rotate though. Which one's rotate? One of these. Just for now, we're going to just try it at that, right? All right, and then we can basically put in, the various things, right? So the masker goes on top, right? And we want to mask this. So we mask that. This is going to go in there as well. I think there's another thing I'm missing though, which is to blend the layers together. Oh, light and blend works there. Screen blend is what you want there, right? So that is interesting. So I want to keep changing the gradient. You see, it's blocked by the circle, right? So now, I'd have to basically get rid of this to be able to see it at all. And then I could make extra changes to it, right? So I wanted to do some crazy changes. Okay. And then we can just lock them all. Go back to scene one. Yeah, this is actually this is a better way of doing things. I'm definitely liking. Hmm. This tells me you don't want to go beyond the limit of the mask there, because otherwise you get that. That does not work. But for instance, if we wanted to focus on, say, this section here, you could easily do that.